Hello everyone. In this lesson, I tell you how to draw lines with angle. So select line here and here in polar tracking. Shortcut is F10. You can go to this triangle and select, for example, 49 degree, 45 degree, 90. If you start drawing line, and if you want to draw, for example, 45 degree like this, it's going to look at the green dash line. At 45 it's snapping, at 90, at 135. For example, and then you can do it fast. This angle is 135. It's comparing with horizontal line. So look at here. It says that this is 145. If you It means that this angle compared to horizontal is 145. If you turn off polar tracking, it's not, you won't see the green lines. So I turn on auto mode on line. You can type here anywhere that you type line, straight, and auto mode is on. It's only popping 90 degree. If you turn it off, and then ask you the length of the line that you want. I type, for example, 900. And then you need to press tab to switch to angle. And which angle you want? You can say, for example, 45 degree. And enter. Enter means yes. Tamam. Okay. Good luck. And if you want to add dimension, so add dimension, you go to dimension, here linear, change it to an angular. First of all, I don't want to have my dimension in the same layer. So before that, you layer properties, add a layer, call this layer measurement, and then change the line. And you can change continuous, which kind of line you want. You can change, load more lines, select that line. Okay, and now you need to switch to that layer. Click on here, switch to that layer. Now you can go to dimension and you selected angular. It selects the first line, second line, and it show the angle. If you want to see, if you are not happy with the color, you can double click on the color and change it to another color. And if it doesn't show, it means that you need to change your DIMS style. So type the DIMS, DIMS style. DIMS style. And here you can go modify, and I'm going to modify text, make it for example 10 height of the line. You can put arrow and the rest. So it's bigger, 135, but even you can make it bigger. DIMS, modify, text, make it 50. See? The number get bigger. You can add arrow and you can play with that. Good luck.